Artificial intelligence and Bitcoin are coming together and closer. AI and Bitcoin companies are teaming up to host the AI4ALL Hackathon, a month-long event aimed at democratizing artificial intelligence with the help of Bitcoin, Lightning, and Fedimint. This hackathon has been organized by Fedi and Stack, and the hackathon will take place remotely on the Bolt.fun and Repli platform from July 1st to July 31st this year. Participants will have the opportunity to engage in workshops, coding sessions, tutorials, and mentorships led by industry experts from both the AI and Bitcoin ecosystems. The primary objective of this hackathon is to explore the integration of these centralized technologies with Gen AI to promote access and adoption on a global scale. The organizers believe that this blend of AI and Bitcoin can enable the individuals and others to bridge the gap between different regions and creating opportunities and also resurrect the crypto ecosystem. Crypto is really going down and down every day, and the winter is not ending for crypto. All the focus, all the hype, all the interest and excitement is around generative AI. So I think this hackathon will help bringing the crypto into the limelight again, and we will soon know whether it has any value in terms of or in the context of AI or not. If you are a fan of hackathons, then maybe this is a good chance to take part. I will post the link to this hackathon in video's description. Thank you for listening.